My name is Nick Revell. I'm the Managing Director of Ledwood Holdings Limited, which consists of two separate companies, Ledwood Mechanical Engineering and Ledwood Protective Coatings. I've been a resident in Swansea for nearly 50 years and I have 3 children, all residing in the Swansea area. The company Ledwood Holdings was formed about 2 years ago. However, the mechanical engineering part of the business has been running circa 30 years. It was developed in the early stages to service the oil, gas and power sectors. We have headquarters based in Pembrokeshire and we have a facility also in Teesside.
You operate your business here in Pembroke Dock on an enormous 10-acre site. You supply a complete range of services to major clients all around the world. What would be your advice to anyone looking to enter into this industry?
Okay, I think there's a few things. A lot of the revenue generations come from the oil and gas sector, and we all recognise the oil and gas price is extremely low at the moment. So I'd err with caution if you're entering. The barriers to entry are fairly high. There's not many new players coming to the sectors at the moment. And also the client's bargaining power is quite high, so that effectively means the profit margin is fairly low. It is competitive, but we are seeing rationalisation and consolidation throughout the UK and parts of Europe. We're also seeing a lot of European and Far Eastern competitors working alongside us at the moment and reducing the rates effectively. So it's challenging times for sure.
That's very interesting. The aim of the Swansea Bay City region is designed to create jobs, boost prosperity and encourage inward investment. Can you explain how Ledwood Engineering contributes to this?
For sure. We currently have a circa 300 people working for us. Whilst the revenue generation isn't within Wales and most of it's actually coming from England, they do like the skill sets that we have in Wales. So we've got a very good order book going forward, and that's bringing job creation and prosperity to the area, and we hope to sustain that going forward.
You're a board member of the Swansea Bay City region, which is chaired by Sir Terry Matthews. What are your views for the main priorities moving forward?
I think there's a great focus on the Tidal Lagoon and on the city deal, and I think both of those projects will bring good prosperity. It will meet the requirements of all the board members to the greater extent. Inward investment is key, job creation and lots of spin-offs. Sir Terry focuses on high value creation of jobs and creating great value for the area and prosperity and moving forward. I think there's some good opportunities.
And that brings us nicely into the next question with regard to the Tidal Lagoon. Recent reports indicate that the Tidal Lagoon, which is going to be based off the South Wales coast, is to get the go-ahead. Are you confident that Ledwood Engineering has the skilled workforce to get involved in the manufacturing of this £1 billion project?
Absolutely. Our heritage is from the oil and gas, so the quality of skilled workforce we have is exceptional. And the quality that's required for the Tidal Lagoon project is on par with that. So we believe we can enter into that fairly easily. We've got good standards, we've got good skills, good accreditation. So very complementary to what the Tidal Lagoon is trying to do. I think the other benefit, we're talking about Swansea Bay as the first point. However, moving forward, there's an industry behind that. So whilst Ledwoods feel well positioned to enter into that potential industry, there's many other companies within Wales that also could enter into it.
And finally, can I just ask one more question? With the elections coming up in May for the devolved Welsh Assembly, is there anything you would like to see on the agenda?
I think from an energy sector perspective, getting more devolved powers for approval of investment on certain size energy projects would be a benefit to companies like Ledwood and many other SMEs based in Wales, and also to a certain extent UK wide. But certainly if we could get those devolved powers and come up with a fixed strategy on how we're going to go move forward in the energy sector, that would be very appropriate.
Well, thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you.